Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for another Anfield Road expansion update. This one's got a little bit of juicy gossip to it, so I'll put a warning on now. If you're easily offended by talks of delays, turn the video off now, okay? You're not going to like what you're going to hear. Before I do start, someone keeps asking me in the live chat section when my video goes live to give his daughters a shout out. I've lost my screenshot of the shout out. Can you comment and let me know again please what you want me to say, and I'll get it done for you in the next video. I do apologise it took so long, but yeah, I promise I'll do it in the next video. Right, so I'm going to have a little look around the ground. Well, I'm going to have a look over the pitch actually. So today's the 20th of May, it's the last day of the season today. I've got no cranes in the way, no one's on site because Liverpool are playing. Okay, so I'm going to get a bit higher, have a look over the pitch and tell you this information that I've been given. So last day of the season, this is the pitch should be looking immaculate. The lawnmowers are out. Pitch looks amazing, looks like a carpet, doesn't it? So I wrote this down because I want to get it word for word what I've been sent, okay? So I received a message off my person inside the ground, if you like. So the message read: Anfield Road upper will not be ready until a month into the season. Not sure if that's match ready or test event ready. The lower tier to open on time will be bare bones on the concourse. Okay, so that's a message I'm relaying on to you lot. Make it that what you will. I'm going to bring it round because I want to have a look at the I'm going to get higher and bring it round the main stand side. Yeah, so what I'm hearing is that the upper tier is not going to be ready, and it kind of doesn't make a lot of sense to me because that's the part of the stand that's like come along the most. The upper tier is nearly built, so I don't really know what that's about. And the lower tier will be bare bones on a concourse, but it'll be match ready, so I'm guessing that means they'll be seating in. So I don't know if they're going to prioritise the lower tier for now, with this being the last match of the season, or what. I don't know. What do people think? And the reason why I'm sharing this because it sounds credible. It's a person that I trust. I'm gonna have a look at these seats. Because last time I looked at these, it was just a back seat. Now it's the actual seat as well that flaps down. So I'm gonna have a look at the pitch and bring it back over. So make of that information what you will. I'm not a pessimist because I want this stand to be ready. My seats are going to be in that upper tier, so I want this to be ready. And when I share videos, people comment that to say that they're in construction, they work on big projects, and they say that this is a big job for now. To get it ready for the start season is a massive job, and that's people in the know. commenting on me on the video, sorry. So I really don't know what to make of it. Put myself out there to receive a bit of stick. I don't know. I want to have a look at the attenuation tank area. I didn't have a look at that last time. I'll have a look at the Shankly gates as well. I'll bring this down a touch. Yeah, that's almost filled in now, that attenuation tank area. I think it is filled in, innit? Yeah. No, it's just that over there. That's not. Again, is that piping going in? What's happening here? Why is that not filled in? Don't know the Shankly gates area. Well, they've taken one post out there. Is that to get stuff in and out? I suppose that was in, but now it's not in. And are these automatic ones, are they down here? Oh, they've not been put in properly yet. Yeah, so it's not going to be a long video because there's not a lot going on site. As I say, there's a match on today, last game of the season. So I'm going to be saying ta-ra to Bobby, Ox, Millie and Naby Keita. I think the only one I'm not sorry to see go is Naby. He hasn't been fit enough, but it is what it is. Little pan across here because that cladding should be coming on soon, shouldn't it? Because that section you got up there on the back of the stands that's been there for a while now. You know what? It has moved over a little touch, hasn't it? So I thought that hadn't moved over much. I think that's moved over more here. So yeah, they have made some inroads into. Oh, there's one more thing I want to look at as well that I looked at yesterday. When then two got 3 guys are on the lift thing. Did they get that piece up that they wanted to get up? Well, it looks a bit neater now, doesn't it? It looked like it was sticking out yesterday, didn't it? So I think they sorted out what they needed to sort out there. Okay. So guys, I'm going to leave that there. Anything that you want to know, let me know. Anything if you want to talk about what I just spoke about, let me know in the comments. As always, if you like the video, subscribe. If you like the channel, subscribe. Comments and likes are always appreciated. You've never let me down on the comments and likes. You always let me know. I think I'm going to receive a few comments anyway saying how much of a pessimist I am, how much of a doomsday provider I am, but I'm just passing on information that I've been given, and I think it's credible information. So if you're in construction, let me know what you think. Okay, apart from that, look after yourselves. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.